One of the things that you might not have ran across yet is how to create labels for different things in the same layer. So here we have one layer, roads, that has interstate symbols and US highway symbols. We want to label those two symbols differently. So I'm going to go into the roads layer properties. I'm going to switch to the labels tab. I'm going to go ahead and turn the labels on. And on this labels method, I'm going to change to define classes. This is what allows me to switch to different symbols. So there's some different options I can use. I can write an SQL query, but the easy thing to do is to use the get symbol classes. So that goes out, and for every symbol class, it creates a label class. So I'm going to pick on Interstate. I'm going to select the symbol tool, scroll down until I see the Interstate shield, pick OK. I'm going to change the label field to be route instead of first route, and I'm going to pick apply and take a look. So I can see a few of my shields have shown up. They're kind of turned sideways, so I'm going to adjust the placement properties of those. So on the placement tab, I'm going to pick horizontal, and I'm going to make sure there aren't any duplicates showing up as well. So remove duplicates. And I'm going to go ahead and set the highway label symbol. So once again, I'm going to pick the symbol tool. I'm going to scroll down until I see the US highway shield. Select that symbol, pick OK. Change the label field to route instead of first route. And I'm going to go ahead and adjust the label properties, position properties to be horizontal, and remove duplicates. So I'm going to pick OK. My labels look pretty good. Now there's really not enough of them to satisfy me. So there's some major interstates that aren't labeled, several highways that aren't labeled. I don't expect that you label all the highways, but we do need to do a good job. So we need to add some more. So I'm going to use the manual label tool on the draw toolbar. I'm going to use the place label at the position clicked, and I'm going to hover where I want to see the label. So I want to make sure that I'm getting what I want. So when I hover there, I'll see the display. And when it says 40, I'm going to left click and place my label for Interstate 40. Also on the east side of the state, Interstate 40. And then we have I-30 going down to Texarkana. So it looks pretty good for interstates. Now let's mark a few more highways. Just hover on the highway and left click. So you have a combination of dynamic labels on and annotative labels on, or simple text. So you can move these ones that we're placing anywhere you like, but the dynamic labels, you're bound to see only those that are displayed on there. So I hope this helps get you through that jam, and if you have any questions, give me a call or send me an email. Thanks.